Let's talk about removing duplicates in our dataset. First, to remove duplicates in our dataset, we select the whole dataset, then we go on data, then we see there are options. There's manage duplicates, and here you can highlight all the duplicates, you can fetch them, and you can even highlight the unique values and fetch them. So for us to remove the duplicates, we come here on highlight duplicates, then the last option here, there's an option called remove duplicates, and we click on remove duplicates, and now we have an option of selecting all the columns where we want to remove duplicates, and by default you can select all the variables or all the columns, and you click on remove duplicates. And since our data set has no duplicates, it is reported that no duplicates are found. But if the data set has duplicates, they are all